Ma'am, do it.
Okay, I'm going to show you the slide, then only we'll be able to check one by one all our questions. Now the first question, can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, 1 minute.
पहले आप चेक करेंगे आपने इसी ऑर्डर में किया है, then I will stop sharing and I will check your work. First question was this question we did with the help of video, and the first case was when 4 sides and one diagonal was given to us. When 4 sides and one diagonal was given to us, and we did this question with the help of a video. Please, all of you check. Is it your first question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is not, please write
Yes,
somewhere in
ma'am.
rough में लिख लो कि हमें करना है बाद में क्या क्या. ठीक है? First was this, then second was this. This was the second question. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD, or the same type of question, but measurements were different. The same question, but measurements were different. Something is gone to my eye. I am just, my God. Chalo. This was the second question. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is 5, BC is 7, CD is 6, DA is 6.5, and AC is 8 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
This was the second construction we did. Then came, please check your work. Then I'm going to stop share and I'm going to check your work. Second case. Then was the second case when 2 diagonals and 3 sides of the quadrilaterals were given. When 2 diagonals and 3 sides of the quadrilateral are given. To do this, we did this question first. This was the first question. To construct a quadrilateral, given that AB is 3.5, BC is 5, CD is 4.5, AC is 5, and BD is 6 centimeter. This was the third question we did in the class. With the help of video, we did. Are you all checking your work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next
Yes,
was
Yes, ma'am.
this. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD if the two diagonals AC and BD were given and the 3 sides were given with different measurement. Same type of question but with different measurement. I hope this was the fourth question of everybody's notebook.
मैम मेरे नोटबुक में नहीं है.
Note down it. Note down somewhere, and you will discuss with your study buddy group. It should be the order. Either you have missed some class or you have not done in the proper order done in the class. That's why I am checking this today. Okay. Next was fifth question. Fifth was the third case. Third case when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles were known to us. We constructed with the help of video this question. A quadrilateral more where MO was given, OR was given, angle M was given, angle R was given, and angle O was given. This was the fifth question. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we did 2 more questions of the same type. This was the first question. A, B, C, D, where AB was 4.5, BC was 7.5, angle A, angle B, and angle C were given. I'll share this PPT also, but the order is not the same as done in the PPT. I did with my own choice. Next was this question. Quadrilateral ABCD, where BC is given, CD is given, angle A, angle B, and angle D is given. They were given. This
Angle
was
D, ma'am, angle C निकालना था.
Very good. Angle C was to be calculated. Then came
95 degrees.
Then came fourth case. In fourth case, we did this question first, where 2 angles. Yesterday we think yesterday or day before yesterday we did when 2 angles 100 and 120 were given, and we have to construct with 3 sides given. This was the question we did with video. Then we did another example of the same type where
हमने तो
3.
कल ही करा था.
But this is what I'm just saying the order, how we did in the class. Then we did one more type. Then we did special type of quadrilaterals. One was a square and another was a rhombus. These all constructions.
रोमस तो किया हुआ है. हमने रोमस किया हुआ है पहले मैम. एक्सेल 4.2 में है वो.
वो तो पता है मुझे.
Same.
पता है मुझे. कल हाँ मुझे पता है. लेकिन हमने कल ये दोबारा से किया था क्लास में. So I am just saying these all questions should be done in everybody's copy as classwork. And 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4 to be finished by you people in your prayer notebook also. The study buddy group, you will cross check your work. The study buddy group, you will cross check your work. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
please unlock the meeting as well got disconnected.
Let me check. 24 or yes, they must have got problem in connection.
Ma'am, Ansh has disconnected.
Okay, I'll do it. Now I am stop sharing this. I have also made one quiz for you based on this only. Let's see how many of you are able to do that. But he is not. Ansh, you are saying Ansh has left out, but Ansh is not asking for the permission. The Sohan Das is asking for the permission.
Ma'am, I have to
पहले क्विज करते हैं फिर क्वेश्चन चेक करेंगे. सारे क्वेश्चन से सारे क्वेश्चन कॉपी में होने चाहिए. I will check. Quiz is based on this only. Construction पे quiz है. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
हमने के भेज दो.
Aksham, you are not helping in study buddy group. You're not helping in study buddy group. Now we are going to play a game. Quizzes पे खेलेंगे. Quizzes पे. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to join quizzes.com. myquizzes.com.
हम लिंक सेंड कर दो.
I am sending.
password दे दो, हम कर लेंगे.
Start करो बेटा. Join my quiz. Can you see the quiz code on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Join myquiz.com and the game is game code is 582775. 582775.
Ma'am, please send the link.
लिंक नहीं है बेटा इसका. अटेंडेंस की बात कर रहे हैं आप?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, उसमें लिखा है ना ma'am और share via link.
No, you do it with joinmyquiz.com.
इसका लिंक भी भेज दो.
लिंक तो बेटा गूगल क्लासरूम में लिखा है.
लिंक भेज दो.
Ma'am, I have joined.
You joined it with this only. Okay, attendance link I am sending. Why do you want to join with link? Do with this only, beta.
मैम
हाँ जी.
मैम क्या कहते हैं, मैंने ना अपने मतलब ये मीटिंग तो मैं टैब में कर रहा हूँ मैम, मैंने दूसरे फोन पे खोल लिया quizzes.com. कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है?
नहीं कोई नहीं करो 582775. 582775.
हम अभी स्टार्ट मत करना.
नहीं कर रही स्टार्ट. जल्दी से करो लेकिन.
मैम जो हमारे पेपर होने हैं वो गूगल फॉर्म्स होने हैं या इसी पे होने quizzes.com पे?
बताएंगे वो, उसके लिए अलग से बात करेंगे. नहीं तो ये होगा नहीं पूरा बेटा. लास्ट क्लास में पूरा नहीं हो पाया. I had to continue the game. They had to continue. The class was over. I don't want that. Hurry up, children. I can see 26 children. So 26 children should be there in the quiz also. I am locking the meeting.
582.
You can see only 18 participants. The code is 582775. You can see the code on your screen.
Join
You
ma'am.
can see the code on your screen. I can see 19 participants 20, 26 and total. I can start. You all can join. Keep on joining. Okay. I am starting. Others can keep on joining.
हाँ मैं आप कर दो.
23 are there, and there are 26 in total. So 2 more children. 26, including me. 24. I am starting now. 22 child can enter.
Yes, ma'am, started.
I want the accuracy also to be good. Very less. Accuracy is also important. You lose your mark if you don't get the correct answer. One child is not joining. कह रहे हो?
मैम ये सॉन्ग बंद कर दो, बहुत तेज आ रहा है।
ओके ओके ओके, आई हैव स्टॉप। Now 26 out of 26, 25 have done, and the accuracy is 58%. Once everybody will finish, I'll end the game. I want to show you also where were you all wrong.
मैम जब आप हमारे फर्स्ट और सेकंड चैप्टर की रिवीजन करा के तब भी ये वाला क्विज ले लेना।
रिवीजन का टाइम कहाँ है? देखते हैं कैसे करते हैं। When is your exam?
मैथ्स का
23rd है, 23rd है, लास्ट है,
30
लास्ट
30
है,
yes.
लास्ट। Oh, last. Oh, I'll get two bundles on last.
मैम वैभव रहता है।
मैम लास्ट नहीं है मैम, 24th को है हमारा मैथ्स का।
24th लग रहा है मुझे भी, आता 24th है बच्चे। आप चेक करो, चेक
30th को साइंस का है, 30th को साइंस का है।
24th मुझे याद था बच्चे। अरे आप
मैंने चेक कर लिया, 24 को है।
Yes, I remember. Only one child has not done. Hurry up, child. I can end the game. I can show you the mistakes. I can tell you your mistakes. Can I end the game? Only one child has not done.
मैम कर दो।
मैम कर दो।
Vaibhav has not done.
तो खेल ही नहीं।
Vaibhav ने have not started the game.
मैम टॉप 5 कौन है?
Let me see. First Hardik, second Pranav, third Dev. Class accuracy 52%. Now we can even see the wait. Okay, question wise also we can see, like in Hardik case only second question was wrong. I think so, only second was wrong. Yes. Let's see the questions also. If you want, we can discuss the questions. The question was, what is the appropriate condition to construct a quadrilateral? And the answer is, when 4 sides and 1 diagonal, out of the 4 conditions, this was the correct condition, when 4 sides and 1 diagonal were given. Now, this was the second question. If 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given, then a quadrilateral cannot be constructed.
मैम वैसे हो तो सकता है मैम 3 sides और 2 diagonals से।
For this, we need to know consecutive sides. Consecutive sides इसलिए नहीं होगा, ठीक है? और to construct a quadrilateral, we need to know 2 adjacent and dash angles. Adjacent के साथ 3 angles. 3 angles चाहिए होते हैं हमको, ठीक है? It was correct by I'm just putting my mouse on the correct ones only. So I can tell you the correct answers also. To construct a quadrilateral, we need to know 2 diagonals and 3 sides. To construct a quadrilateral, we need to know 3 sides and 2 included angles. They were the same, like twisted questions. To construct a square, we need to know only 1 side length. Once you know 1 side length, other sides you know, and angles you already know. Next was to construct a rectangle. We need to know only length and breadth. Only length and breadth. If 2 diagonals are given, then we can construct a rhombus. How many measurements are required to construct a quadrilateral uniquely? 5. Okay. To construct a parallelogram, we need to know 2 adjacent sides and 2 angles. Because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, so we come to know the other remaining sides. Okay? There were 10 questions now.
मैम वैसे मैंने सेकंड क्वेश्चन कर लिया तो बता मैम मेरे को पावर अप मिल गया तो उससे ठीक हो गया बाद में।
Okay.
मैम 3 sides और 2 diagonals से हो तो सकता है मैम कंस्ट्रक्ट.
I will check this question again. Don't worry. I'll check this question again. I'll go in the questions, review the. I will go to the questions and I'll check again. Don't worry. Now I am exiting it and stop sharing this. Okay. Now I'll. What happened? I want to see your work now. Show me your work. First question, everybody keep ready with the first question. Show me your work. One by one. Prabnoor, show me your first question. Show me your first question, Prabnoor.
मैम एक्सरसाइज थर्ड वाले का ना.
Starting से check कर रहे हैं बच्चे हम starting से.
ओके मैम, ओके मैम.
First question, Prabnoor, please show. Dave is showing, let me show, and you all are going to check your work. You all are going to check your work.
मैम मैं देख लो.
This is Dave's.
Ma'am, attendance form भेज दो.
I have already sent beta. I'll send again.
मैम आ रहा है क्लियर?
Oh, it is quizzing का आ रहा है. Wait. Oh, I have to, I think, copy again. I have to copy again. Somebody, can somebody else send? Because I am not able to send it because I have, afterwards I have copied something else. Can somebody else send? Can somebody else send, beta?
Yes.
Because I copied something else after that. Okay, Sakshi has sent. Now, Dave was showing me the work. Dave, yes. Tilt your copy, beta. Camera is vertical. Okay. Turn it. Hardik is showing. Hardik, do it and show it in some other way. This landscape, show it portrait. Portrait करो बच्चा. हाँ. Yes.
मैम वो साइट है ना जिससे अटेंडेंस लगवा रहे हो ना, वो मेरी खुल नहीं पा रही, तो अटेंडेंस आप लगा देना.
क्यों नहीं खुल पा रही है?
मैम खोल रहे हो लोडिंग करके रुक जाता है बार. कंप्यूटर क्लास में भी ऐसा ही हुआ था.
What's your name? Who's this?
आकिब.
देखते हैं, चलो ठीक है, याद रखना पड़ेगा ना मुझे. मेरी नेक्स्ट क्लास भी होती है. दिव्यांश is showing. Let me check this.
मैं यार देख लो.
सक्षम. दिव्यांश का भी करेक्ट लग रहा है. To change the base shape is little change, otherwise inside it is same. Saksham. Yes, it's fine. I want to see Saksham. Okay, Saksham is showing. Check your work. Yes. Now let's go for second question. Saksham, show your second also then. Others will also show. Second. Is this your second? This is the first one, I believe.
ये मैम नहीं, ये सेकंड है मैम, फर्स्ट ही है.
Okay. When base was taken as 6. Yes. This was the second question. Others also. Sakshi is also showing. Let me check. बेटा आपके नेटवर्क में इशू होगा. From my side I am not able to. Are you all not able to? Sakshi ठीक है बेटा आपका. Are you all not able to hear me?
Ma'am, your voice is clear.
If I'll tell you one thing. If only one or two few children are facing problem, it means there is some problem only at somebody else's problem. If everybody is not able to hear me, it means there is network issue at my place. Okay बेटा? So हम आपके यहाँ थोड़ा problem रहता है काफी बार, है ना?
हम आपके भी कट के आ रही है आवाज.
आपके नेट का इशू आ रहा है कुछ. नेट का इशू आपके एंड पे है. आपके एंड पे इशू है. Everybody is not able to hear properly. Is everybody not able to hear?
मैम फिर कट के आ रही है. पहले ठीक आ रही थी.
अब नेटवर्क इशू हो गया ना, इसका मतलब there is some network issue. Now show me third question. Swamita, show me third question. Wait, I'll call the name, then I'll tell the child. Third question, Swamita. Yes, I'll just pin her. You can all check. Very good. So first 3 questions we have shown now. Now, next. 4th question, Lakshit. Show me your 4th question. Lakshit, show me your 4th question. Lakshit, I said show me your 4th question. I'll remove these type of children. Show me your 4th question. Kanak, show me your 4th question. Let me check. थोड़ा सा राइट करो बच्चा. Okay, it was 75 to be drawn with compass. 75 with compass, 105 with compass. Okay? All angles multiple of 15 to be constructed with compass. That's why I am checking. Don't take it in the other way. I just wanted that everybody should understand in the best possible way. What was the number of this question? 4th?
Yes, ma'am.
5th question. 5th question. Sweetie will show me 5th question. Sweetie, show me.
में तो मेरे मैम एक्सरसाइज 4.1 का है.
I am talking about class. I am talking about class right now. अभी बेटा हम सिर्फ क्लास वर्क की बात कर रहे हैं. हम सक्षम होमवर्क की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. We are talking about only class work. Okay, children have started leaving because I am checking your work. Very good. People have started leaving now. Wonderful. Dave, show me your 5th question. Dave, show me your class work 5th question. Bhavya Sethi, show me your class work 5th question.
एक बार ये क्या एक बार देखना मैम यही वाला है क्या मेरे को दूसरा लग रहा है शायद. यही वाला है क्या जो 5th question.
5th question was the 3rd case. 5th question was the 3rd case. Sweetie is showing very good. Let me see. Let everybody check.
Ma'am.
Hanji. This was 5th question, Saksham.
मैम अभी मैंने फिगर आउट नहीं किया तो वर्क मैम मैं कल दिखा दूं आपको.
That's why I was checking. Yes. Tomorrow I'll take a short test. Tomorrow you don't have a class with me. Next time then I'll start with new chapter, or on Monday we will have a short test. Monday we will have a short test. I'll give you 2-3 questions to construct.
इसी चैप्टर का.
हाँ जी.
मंडे को हमारा संस्कृत का पेपर है.
Okay, then we will not have test. We will have test between that. We'll start with a new chapter on Monday. Okay.
मैम ट्यूसडे को हमारा टूर्नामेंट है.
बाबा रे बाबा, you'll keep on giving the reason for every day.
मैम नहीं मैम सच्ची में गेमिंग टूर्नामेंट है सच्ची में मैम. ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे को ले लो या फिर कल ही ले लो ना मैम. कल ले लो.
पेपर की तैयारी करनी है.
Good. Akib will show me work now.
सैटरडे को ले लो.
Akib will show me work. Question number 7.
7 कौन सा है? ये वाला है मैम 7.
7 was case 4.
हाँ ये वाला है.
Only for case 4 we have done 3 questions. Otherwise 2. 7th is case 4.
मैम मैं 1 सेकंड दिखाता हूँ.
आके पता नहीं क्यों हो रहा है.
When 2 angles and 3 sides were given.
तो 3 है.
Akib is not showing. Akib.
आ रहा हूँ मैं.
आओ जल्दी आओ. Akib.
हम ये क्या?
मैम मेरे को मिल गया 2 एंगल एंड 3 साइड्स वाला. ये वाला है.
थोड़ा सा ऊपर करो बच्चे. I'm not able to see the figure properly. Yes. 120 was one angle. 120 is one angle and another angle is? एक एंगल नजर आ रहा है.
100 degree.
100. Okay. Yes, it's correct. Very good. Now next question. इसके हमने 3 पार्ट्स किए थे. इसके 3 टाइप्स किए थे. आकिब को बहुत हंसी आई. इसके हमने 3 पार्ट्स किए थे. Who will show me the next part? Pranav will show me next part.
मैं दिखाऊं?
Pranav will show me next part.
2 angles and 3 sides वाला ना?
हाँ जी. Pranav is showing me. Let me see. Where is Pranav? Where is Pranav? Where is Pranav? Not able to see Pranav.
मैम शो नॉन वीडियो पार्टिसिपेंट्स कर तो फिर आ जाएगा.
Wait. Pranav. Yes, Pranav is showing me. Pranav, थोड़ा सा बच्चे ऊपर नीचे करो कुछ कॉपी. I am not able to see it properly. Yes, पीछे करो थोड़ा सा. Yes, और पीछे करो. The figure is not visible. You can also see what you are showing. 80 degrees of one angle. What is the measurement of another angle? One is 80.
मैम 105 दिख रहा है.
105 है. 105
Yes,
was to be constructed with the help of compass. 105 with compass. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I have constructed with compass only.
Okay, I could not see it properly. That's why I'm saying. Show it again. Yes, now it's visible. Yes, but perfect. But 7.5, up is perfect. So this way you are getting confidence. I am feeling satisfied that all my children are able to learn. I have realized that most of you are able to learn. Any query? Hardik, I'll check that work. I will check that question again. Okay, I will check the question again. Any query from anybody? Will you be able to now complete the chapter? Special cases भी कर लेंगे?
Yes, ma'am.
Swamita, very good.
मैम बस मेरे को ना मैम एक्सरसाइज
मैम हम मंडे को क्यूब एंड क्यूब रूट्स करेंगे, स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट्स करेंगे.
बता देंगे आपको क्या करेंगे बच्चे. हाँ जी बोलो सक्षम.
बस आप मेरे को मैम मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ मैम जो लास्ट वाली एक्सरसाइज है उसका लास्ट क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आ रहा और बाकी सब कुछ आता है पूरे चैप्टर में.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन में पूछा है ना यूनिकली ड्रॉ करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे वही कह रहे हैं ना. You are saying that only.
हम पैरेललोग्राम वाला.
Parallelogram is not able to construct.
मैम लास्ट वाली एक्सरसाइज हाँ मैम लास्ट वाली एक्सरसाइज का लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैम उसके
मैम
अंदर
वो रेक्टेंगल बनेगा.
Yes. They are saying, is it unique? No, it is not unique. The answer is it is not unique because angles are not given to us. Saksham, it's right. Show you. Keep a copy down, beta. Yes. Fourth में आएगा. It is not. Is it unique? No, because you cannot construct with two sides given. Only two sides are given. You know opposite sides are equal, but you don't know the angle.
कोई सा भी एंगल अगर
कोई सा भी एंगल लोगे तो सक्षम का पैरेललोग्राम अलग लगेगा, प्रभुत का अलग, कनक का अलग, साक्षी का अलग, निजा का अलग. यही तो पूछ रहे हैं वो.
अब नहीं मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर उन्होंने A to Z पैरेललोग्राम का कोई सा भी एंगल दिया तो कंस्ट्रक्ट हो जाता क्योंकि
it can be constructed by choosing any one angle, but it will not be unique. It will not be unique. So no need to construct fourth. You will simply write it is not unique because no angle is given to us. Only
but ma'am rectangle is also parallelogram.
Parallelogram means only opposite angles are equal. We don't know the angle beta. Construction तो आप कर लेंगे, कोई भी एंगल चूज कर लो, उसके सामने वाला एंगल भी वही ले लोगे या 180 में से माइनस कर दो, बेस एंगल निकल जाएगा. तो आपने 160 ले लिया, 120 ले लिया, you'll be able to construct. पर 60 और 120 खुद ले रहे हो ना आप.
मैंने भी ऐसे लिया है.
But
मैं जब नेट पे से देखा था तो यही आया था.
हाँ, लेकिन it is not unique. The question is it unique? The answer is no, because somebody can take 60 120, somebody can take 70 110. So the figure is not unique.
मैम देखो ये रहा वाला क्वेश्चन.
हाँ, unique की बात बता रहे थे हम आपको. How come it is unique? Let me see. Yes, unique नहीं है ना, लेकिन आपने 60 और 120 लिया, ये 60 120 हाँ, लेकिन कोई और लेगा तो 70 और 110 भी ले सकता है. So it is not unique.
Yes,
only sides are given.
Okay.
It cannot be constructed uniquely. It cannot be constructed uniquely. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That's all for today. Prepare well for your exams. Do well because tomorrow I think you don't have class. And on Monday you have your exam.
चैप्टर भी आ रहा होता मैम.
Exam evening now. Saturday. Tomorrow you don't have maths class. Maths नहीं है ना? नहीं कल है. Tomorrow we have 8C में नहीं है ना? So tomorrow we'll have a short test. Don't worry. कल test लेंगे. I was thinking 8C. Okay. 8C में नहीं है ना period. So I'll take a short test tomorrow. Okay. Please be prepared. Be prepared. 2 constructions I will give. Okay, children?
ओके
Okay, goodbye.
ma'am.
Take care. I
मैम
hope you
गूगल
all.
क्लासरूम पे दोगे?
नहीं, क्लास में दूंगी यहीं पर. Zoom पे ही
Okay.
दूंगी. Okay. I hope you all enjoyed. You have learned. Good children. Bye.